Previously on Critics Court.
We only get to see Luke Skywalker at the end, the very end of The Force Awakens, leaving fans hanging for 2 years as to speculate what's going to happen with Luke. This is going to be the most amazing thing ever. Rey's handing him the lightsaber. Speculation, playing on emotions, and then only to go into Episode 8 after 2 years of speculation, of hype and anticipation for Luke Skywalker to grab that beloved lightsaber and toss it over his shoulder as an angry shell of what he used to be. Han Solo literally was the same person that he was in the OT. He never evolved. He never became anything. He was just an old cranky version of what he always was. There was no evolution. He was the divorced father that had no connection to his son. That is not a hero. That's not who we wanted Han Solo to be. And then, of course, we see what they did with Princess Leia.
Let's say you wanted Luke to be the focus. If we were to focus on Luke.
I didn't want Luke to be. The original screenwriter wanted Luke to be the focus. And J.J. Abrams, who is here today, decided to fire that writer because, in quote from Michael Arndt himself, Luke Skywalker took too much attention away from the new characters. You're getting a little nervous. You got to settle down, defense. It's 1 versus 3. You guys should not be squirming out of control. I'm a one man, yet I am annihilating you. No. Yeah, I think there's absolutely no evidence whatsoever to say that Luke Skywalker would have walked away and been the hermit that he is. There's no evidence to show from a character standpoint from Luke Skywalker, the man who saw just a small piece of good in his evil father. There's no way that that man would be the person that we got.
So if you understand mythology, sir, if you understand mythology, not entertainment now, not your stupid Cobra Kai high school, what do you call it, a melodrama soap opera. Cobra Kai is entertainment, Star Wars is mythology.
Then why are we talking about real world shit in Star Wars if it's high mythology? Why is Kathleen Kennedy saying we have to get rid of the white? Ryan Johnson is on record saying less white dudes in Star Wars, but it's high mythology.
Here.
You don't even mention Rey in the whole sequel trilogy now. You can't even talk about her as being a hero because you know what I'm going to point out is that she literally just hijacks the Skywalker name because they can't even let her be who she really is. Wait a minute. JJ, did you just tell me that you were not allowed to call George Lucas, the creator of Star Wars, when Kathleen Kennedy sat there across from him and said, we're going to lean on him? Are you telling me, are you telling the jury, are you telling this court?
I'm telling you.
You couldn't call George because Disney wouldn't allow you? Is that what you're telling me?
I've got a boss, man.